Let me show you how to create 3D Instagram pop-out effect in Photoshop. Firstly, click on Create New to take blank page. Unlock this layer and click on Adjustment Layer to apply gradient effect like this. Follow these steps. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Choose Image Frame and click on Place.
Right-click on Layer and make rasterize layer.
Select Rectangular Marquee tool and select like. Press Delete key to delete header. Align this to center. Select Rectangle and draw like this. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select Model Image. Decrease opacity to adjust the position of image. Right-click on Layer and create Clipping Mask. Increase opacity to 100%. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Go to Select and choose Subject to make model selection. Click on Mask icon to remove background. Select Blending option and choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Now your 3D pop-up is ready to post. Please like, share, and subscribe to more videos.